Please pay attention. This message was broadcasted and transmitted by the BBC and Public Health England. The virus, known as Plaque virus, has alarmingly infected most of the British population. This virus is known for seizing control of the brain, and incites a bloodthirsty rage. All infected persons are guaranteed to become mindless, animalistic, aggressive, and relentlessly attacking every living thing near them. Total cases has surpassed 25 million yesterday, and most of them are in England. Now, as the amount of cases rise even further, all countries globally are expected to fall for the next 2 weeks shall a vaccine or a solution to the pandemic be not discovered. Due to the amount of cases and the servers being raided by the infected, the website for reporting plaque virus cases will cease to function today. Instead, the government will be placing the entire United Kingdom to an indefinite lockdown. All businesses and buildings will be closed until further notice. The government and the military will still give rations to the people, but do not rely to the government for protection. The military and the police are being weakened due to being understaffed and is running out of supplies. Do not go outside, as the amount of cases are too densely high and its ability to spread airborne. Without proper equipment to go outside, such as face masks and PPEs, you may get infected with the virus under 16 minutes, and die as a precaution. Symptoms of the plaque virus are as follows: fever, sweating, diarrhea, vomiting, shortness of breath, extreme thirst, high body temperature, signs of animalistic behavior, muscle fatigue, and bloodshot eyes. Should you have the virus, evacuate or euthanize yourself immediately. Should someone near you, however, has the virus, evacuate or euthanize them as well for you and everyone's safety from the plaque virus. Should yourself or them be infected, you or they may aggressively attack you and your loved ones. Failure to do so may lead to your or their peril. Bring weapons while you can, to make sure yourself are safe from the plaque virus. Common weapons in or near your house may include baseball bats, knives, machetes, guns, batons, hammers, and hacksaw. Keep in mind that this virus has made all American countries collapse, and the entire world is struggling to contain the uncontrollably spreading virus globally. Should the virus spread even further, the United Kingdom and the society may collapse due to this virus. Remain vigilant, careful, and indoors for your safety. The government are planning to do a contingency for the remaining British population, so the country will stop the spread of the virus across the United Kingdom. Please keep tuned for more information.